Guys, what's up? Welcome to this fantastic new video series about Google Sites in this playlist. So in this new video series, or this new playlist that I'm going to be talking about, we are going to be dropping videos on a daily basis concerning Google Sites. So I'm going to show you how to create different types of websites and different types of things you can do with Google Sites, from the very first step to the last very step. So make sure you're tuned in to this series, because I'm going to be dropping videos daily on this series, on this new playlist that I have just started. Okay, so for today's video, we are just definitely going to talk about how to create a very simple basic website using Google Sites. I'm going to show you exactly how to do it from the very first step to the last very step. I'm going to show you how you can start from a blank canvas to the point where you can publish this website, and actually how you can even go ahead to share the link and have a link for your website. So if you're interested, then let's move on. So in today's video, like I said, this is the first video of the series, so we are definitely going to talk about how to use Google Sites and how to use Google Sites to create a very simple basic website. Okay, so first thing you need to do is to make sure you're logged into your Google account. So you must make sure you're logged into your Google account right here. So once you're logged in to the perfect account you want to use. Now, before we go ahead to start creating the website, I would like you to know that every website you're creating here on Google Sites is actually going to be stored on your Google Drive. So Google Drive is the hosting for your Google site right here. So that's why you need to log into your account. Now, once you got that logged in, then you go to sites.google.com. So once you go to sites.google.com, you're going to be brought straight to this page. Now, for me personally, I have a lot of websites that I have done on Google Sites. That's why you're seeing all of these websites right here. But in your own case, you might just have only these sections right for you, only these top sections. Okay, so but for my case, I have so many of them. If you look at this recent site, these are the recent sites that I've created, and that's why they are showing up. So if you don't have all of these sections, don't worry, you can still continue. So once you have all of this section, before I go straight into showing you how to create a very simple website, just like we're going to do on this first video series of this Google Site tutorial playlist that I just started, I want you to see this option called template gallery. So Google Site actually offers you templates galleries pre-made already that you can start editing and start using from scratch if you don't want to waste time, especially if you know the kind of website you're trying to build, if it's a specific type of website. But in this case, it's a simple blank website. I'm going to show you how to do it from a blank site. So but you can also go ahead to click this template gallery to see a lot of their templates that they have, and you can use it in future if you start creating other types of website. But for today's video, focus more on creating it from scratch and everything we need to do. So all we just need to do is to click on this section that says blank canvas, this one. So just click on this blank site, and once you click on it, you'll be brought straight down here. So this is the page where you're going to be brought. Now if you look at this section, this right section here, you see that we have a lot of options. We have these options, we have inserts, we have pages, we have themes. All of these are what we're going to be using to beautify our website and to even add features to this particular website. So now, first thing, since you are brought straight down here to create a very simple website, you already know that all website has header section, the body, and the footer section. So these are the three most important sections that make up a complete website. So we need to start doing that easily. So first of all, we need to add an header section here. So now we can add so many header sections, so many things to our header. So first thing I like to do is I like to write the name of the website. So this website, I can call it anything. Let's say KO, and I'll say something like store. Remember, we are not creating an e-commerce website, but this is a basic website, so just ignore the name. So I'm going to change all of this. I'm going to say this is the title, and I'm going to change the font. I like to use, especially for header, I like to use impact. Then we just center this stuff right here, and yeah, that's it for me. So since we have this, the next thing we need to do is to add this site name. So I'll just add this as site name. Now if you have a logo, you want to upload your site's logo, Now once you've done all of these parts, the next thing now we need to do is to focus on the thing, on the header background. So there are various types of header you can choose from. If you click on this header type, you can see that we can make use of so many types, like 4 different types of header style. But for me, this is okay, and that's exactly what I want. So all you just need to do is to upload an image that will be like a background image for the header. Now Google site actually have this feature that I love so much, and this is the feature. It's called background image. Like, it helps you brighten the picture or darken it. In fact, help you moderate it, especially because it's going to be the background image. So this feature very fantastic. So no matter the image you upload here, it will actually help you to adjust it to fit properly the way it's supposed to fit. So in my case, I don't have any image to upload, so I'm going to click on select. Now what I normally do is, just once you click on select, you're going to be brought straight down here. So you can select from the gallery. You can also search Google Images, or you can upload photos, or search your Google Drive if you have it, or you can do by URL. Whichever one suits you is perfect. So I like this one. Let's see if this one will work. Now once I click on it, you see that this stuff here is already rotating and it's already done. So if I say remove, this is how it's going to be like. So if I say remove, this is if I add it back, you see it makes it even more and more better and looks more sharp. Okay, so yes, so right now, as you can see here, this store is looking fantastic, and we have not even spent a lot of time trying to fix this thing up. So that's how easy Google Sites is, and that's exactly why we are going to be exploring a lot of stuff right here on the series about Google Sites. So once we have this set up, now the header is almost done. As you are creating your website, if you click on this preview section, this section called preview here, you can actually preview whatever you have done to see exactly how it's going to look like on the mobile, on the desktop, and on a tablet. Okay, so you need all of these things for you to be able to create a perfect responsive website. Exactly. So now once we have this section, I normally like to add some other sections, like a very simple text. So if you double click this section, you're going to have this hamburger menu come out. Now we can select it that by embedding, or embed from our drive, or upload, or images, or text. I'm going to use text. Okay, so in the text, we want to write whatever thing we want to write here. So for me, this is just like a hook. This is exactly how I find it. You can actually add this in the header section after the title, but in my case, I just like to put it here. So I can say something like our website use cookies. So this is just me putting in random text. I mean, you don't have to take all of this text seriously. I'm just doing this so that I can have something to show to show you guys, so that you understand. So in my case, I just change this text to something else. Let me change it to area, and yes, it looks very sharp and good. And now I'll just bold in it. And since we've done that, if you look at this section here, you're going to see that we have some menu icons here. We have this select section colors, we have the duplicate section, and we can also delete this. Very simple. So in my case, I'm just going to do select section colors. Then we have different styles: star 1, star 2, star 3, and then the lifestyle is we can actually upload or select another style or image. So I'm going to use this one, and since we have this, as you can see here, I think this is actually making sense now. I can increase the number of this text to match something bigger. So as you can see, I can increase the text. So let me keep it at 14. I think I like 14. So once we have this now, as you can see, making more sense, and I believe you are understanding what exactly I'm showing you guys for this new series that I just started, which is Google Sites. So like this, since we have here now, so I want you to know that we can actually add any of these things right here to our website. So these things are actually here for you to use to embed or to add more features to your website. Okay, Yeah, now so we'll continue with some other stuff. Okay, so right now that we have actually added all of this stuff, so I just showed you how to add a header section, and the other parts are very simple. So if you look at this section here, you see that we have um sections. We can add a single section with text, or double image, or triple, or four, depending on what you want to do. Like I just want to show you exactly everything you can do with Google Sites. Okay, so you can also embed stuff or anything. So let me just add this simple section here. So here I'm just going to select a video from YouTube. So you can add images, videos, whichever way you want to do it, doesn't really matter. For my case, just select one of my videos here to avoid copyright, and then I'll just give it a title. So I can say I just call it clip one. Like, I mean, you can call it anything. Don't forget, this is just me like showing you what you can do, some of the possibility. So I'm just gonna add random. I just added some random text. I don't want to like keep writing, so I'll just try to see if I can make this. Yes, exactly. So yes, so this is it. Very simple. We have header, we have this hook. I normally call it hook, just a little hook stuff. Okay, and then we have this image, this video here with this clip and text. Now, one thing I love about Google Sites, if you didn't remember what I told you earlier on, is you can preview. So you can actually preview whatever thing you've done or what you're doing. So if you preview, you're going to see exactly how it looks like. So that's one thing I love about Google Sites. Okay, so this is what we have done so far. Very, very easy, and I calmed down to explain all of this step for you so that you understand. So I mean, I can actually preview these videos. You can see, you can play these
Guys,
videos, and it works. Okay,
welcome to another fantastic video.
as you can
Guys,
see.
it's gonna pay one
So it
using my
works like an iframe, and we have the title, we have the text. Now let's see how this is gonna be like on a tablet. So as you can see, pretty much okay. Very works very fine, and this is going to be on a mobile phone. So very much okay. And I mean, you already have a website. So now we have done this part. If you want to keep adding more sections, of course you have all your sections right here. So just go ahead, select, and start adding. You can even add social media, like social media links. As you can see here, if you want to add social media link, just click on it, add your link. So just add your link image, add the link. If it's YouTube, upload an YouTube photograph or your YouTube icon, and add the link. If it's Facebook, do the same. Add as many links as you want, and boom, it should be here. And you can also add forms, charts, maps, everything you need for you to add is here, and it's pretty much easy. Once you click on it, you can see the step. Just follow it and add. If you want to embed stuff from other stuff, you can embed. If you click on this embed stuff, you can embed by code or by URL. By code is simply the best for me. So just paste the embed code here, and this is going to embed on the website. Now that I have added a header, body, now the footer is simple. Just click on this footer section and add your footer. So I can say copyright received. I just write the name of the website. Okay, store at 2025. Full stop. Like very simple. Please don't forget, make sure you get your spellings correct. Don't want to spell rubbish. So now that I've written this, I like to, of course, change the font to Arial or something really good. Let me change the font. I think Okay, let me use this, and text, I'll just see normal text, and then yes, so this is the footer. And you can add more. I mean, you can add more things, but for me personally, I just want to make it simple. You can even hide it if you want. As you can see, if you click on this section, it hides. So I'm gonna leave it. And yes, so successfully I've showed you exactly how to create a very simple basic website using Google Sites on this first episode or this first series that I have started with Google Sites, where I'm going to show you everything, possibilities that you can now do with Google Sites, a lot of types of websites you can create with Google Sites, how you can even monetize. So keep watching. We have more series coming up very, very soon from other videos I'm going to be dropping on this series, on this new playlist. Okay, so I have so many videos, so many opportunities, so many things you can do with Google Sites. Trust me, you don't want to miss it. You're going to like it. So subscribe, turn on the bell notification icon, like the video, very important. Okay, so that's going to reach as many people as possible. So this is it, very simple website. I didn't waste too many time to get this thing done, and this looks very good, and you can even check it out. So once you're done with the website, if you look at this section, this blue section here, you see we have publish. This is where you click on. Once you click on publish, you're going to be brought straight to this section. Just give it a name. So I can say something like KO store. I don't know if this name is taken. I'll just add 11 to it. So as you can see, this is ready. So right now the name or the link to this website will be this link, this long link here, sites.google.com/view/co-store11. Now don't forget, if you don't like how long this link is, you want to add a custom domain, you want to have your own, go to like a .com, .ng, whatever, there is a way to do it. You can actually add a custom domain to this stuff, and that's exactly why this series or this playlist is very good, because I'm also going to show you how to add a custom domain to your Google site on this series. So watch out for the next episode, which I am going to be dropping very, very soon. So that way you're going to understand, or going to get all the information you need about Google Sites, because don't want to show you how to do it on this episode or this video already, because it's already too long. So I'm going to show you guys on how to do it on other episodes. So make sure you subscribe, turn on the bell notification icon so that you don't miss one we upload a new video. So once you have all of this, if you have this link, you can now publish, and once this thing is live, if you go to the website using this link, it's going to bring you straight to the website we just created easily without even wasting any time. So guys, this is it, very much okay, and I believe it was helpful. So if you have any question, the comment is there for you to ask your questions, and if you require me to do anything for you, I'll always be there to do it for you. So thank you very much for watching, guys. I'll see you on the next video. Thank you very much.